Good Friday, everybody. Meteorologist Jonathan Conder here. Hold on. It's an alert day, not for thunderstorms, but severe winds, high winds gusting over 60 to 65 miles an hour, blowing dust, power bumps, some wind damage. Okay, so we're under this high wind warning. That's for gusts 55 to 65. Still breezy, just not as high. Southeastern Oklahoma wind advisory. This all goes till 10 p.m. Again, the impact here, obviously, fire danger is extreme, high to very extreme. Blowing dust, we're going to see that. There's a chance of some minor wind damage, okay, because we're going to have winds that are typical that you get with severe thunderstorm warnings, okay, but there's no thunderstorms in the forecast. Power outages are possible. Highest winds will be the area highlighted in purple. That's gusts 60 to 65. Cannot rule out a rogue 70. Red would be gusts 60 to 65, and then lower wind gusts out of the southeast. Those winds will be mostly out of the southwest. By the evening, they'll come around to the west and then the north by tomorrow morning. Highs today, 70s and 60s. There'll be some rain up near the Woodward area for today. Let's plan your weekend. Today, again, we're blowing away. Bad day. Tomorrow, cloudy, colder, 58. I think Sunday's better, highs in the 60s. What do you got to do? Come pay us a visit, okay? We'll have a lot more time. We're going to break the whole weekend down. KOCO 5 News at 9 and 11 a.m. You don't want to miss your updated 5+5 day forecast.